Palm Beach. I'm at the Mount's Botanical Garden, and we are looking at Illumina, their lantern show. It's amazing. Stay with us. So this is Illumina. This is a lantern festival going on at Mount's Botanical Gardens in West Palm Beach. Now, I had been here before to see all the beautiful plants in the gardens, but I had never been here for the lights. So this was a first time for me, and I had never been to any lantern festivals, but these are getting really popular, especially in Florida, and I just absolutely loved it. There was a lot of people. It's $26 a person to get in, and it's cheaper for children. But if you have never seen a lantern show, this is a good one to go to. There are beautiful flowers. There are a lot of moving animals. The lights are beautiful. This is a holiday show, and there are some things for the holiday to look at. But I just loved all the colors, all the stuff lit up. I had never been to one of these lantern shows, so this was a first for me, and I absolutely just loved it. Look at the cute animals. This place was very unique and very different. Last time I seen it, it was nothing like this, of course. And this is one of my favorites because look, I love the movement. I love the different colors. I loved the fact that they weren't just static, that everything seemed to move. This is the highlight probably, and we're going to take it from various angles because it's so cool, and there's even smoke coming out of his mouth, which is great. There's a beautiful path to walk along. They have some signs and some lights and different people around telling you which way to go so that you don't miss seeing everything. And here is the holiday display. I'm going to get a little closer and walk through this later, but isn't that beautiful for the holidays? Isn't that something different, not just lights? I liked that. Maybe one of my favorite things because I love the holidays and not everything was holiday built, but the movement for this butterfly. Well, let's just take a look at some of the displays, and I'll tell you a little bit more as we go along. Look at this, how that lizard, it looks like it's trying to get this cute little ladybug, and the ladybug goes down, and then she'll go back up, trying to get away. Really cute design. And these chickens, they moved just so many different unique things. There are a few interactive things like this swing that you can go on. Here is a closer look at the holiday display with those cute snowmen. It's a great place to come and take some selfies. Make sure you beware of the alligators. This was definitely another one of my favorites because you can sit in here and feel like you are a princess being taken away in a carriage. It is just so cool. The kids loved that. There are a couple of tables along the way that you can stop and get some cookies or some empanadas and a drink, whether it's coffee or beverages, and just check everything out. Oh, look at those flowers. Aren't those just amazing? It can take anywhere from an hour to 2 hours to walk this path, depending on how often you stop and want to take pictures, whether you get something to eat. It's really all up to you. I had to let you hear the sounds that those make because they were fascinating. And here is another view of that dragon. It's on the water, and how they do that, I don't know, but it is really something. Don't miss this little path that goes around the water area. There's just a little boardwalk. It's kind of hard to see, but it was a lot of fun walking around there and checking out those flowers. Just very beautiful. And what would a Florida display be without having some flamingos? And last but not least is this amazing snake at the end. It's a very long path, and it seems like this snake is going on forever and ever. RockinRobin, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the Botanical Gardens as much as we did. The lanterns were amazing. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Watch all our videos around Florida.